Going up. 1 second, man. Jesus Christ. How are you doing? Good. Beautiful. So we're almost done in this kitchen, and we're trying to finish it today. 6 o'clock. So that one, so I can do the painting, and then I can focus on the painting.
How are you?
Pretty good. You see those videos?
Yeah. So the list of things to do should be anything that needs to dry first.
Yes.
So that, this.
That one? That's right? Yeah, that one.
Yeah, those. I can do those.
And those.
I can do those now.
Okay? Alright, that's the first thing to do. What I can do, what time I can do the road?
Half an hour?
Half an hour? Okay.
It'll be fine.
Yeah, so, yeah, we'll still have an hour.
Because it's, yeah.
I can go by the paint and then do the grout, well, I can do the part there and blah, blah, blah.
You're doing it white, right?
White, yeah, straight white.
Yeah.
And I need,
you need one more piece of trim.
yeah, we need one more piece of this. I mean, whenever you're ready to do the purchasing, let me know.
Okay.
All I'm gonna do is go to Benjamin Moore and I'll get the paint.
Okay. Oh, Certified Lover Boy dropped today. I've only heard 2 songs so far, and it vibes better than Donda. So that's something to notice, right? Plus, I was at last night I was listening to some other Drake's other songs. 6 p.m. in New York is a straight up Kanye diss. Even says, I know your girl well, just not in public. What? Expose him like that. What? That's done. That's done. Let's see, he's not listening. That's done. How you doing, man?
Not bad, how you doing?
Victor. Maurice?
Reese.
Reese, Victor.
Nice to meet you. Here. I need to buy some paint, so why don't we do this? Listen. There's a vacuum, okay? Up there. Yeah. Let's vacuum all this place. Okay. And then we get it ready for painting. Okay? Please.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So, you want to make a list? Full list and helping?
You have that, you don't need more than that. Same color, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you just need brushes.
Yeah, but I don't know. We're gonna. I think we need. I need to paint the hallway.
Oh, different color?
No, the same. But
Yeah.
I don't wanna. Are we gonna have time to be there at 4 or 5? It's 11.
Are we gonna have time to what?
To be out of here at 4. This is gonna take 1 hour.
Yeah.
And the dishwasher.
Connecting
Line.
that stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour.
Yeah.
And this is 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's 4 hours. So
And the ceiling is the same color as the walls, you
Yeah,
said?
this is a good
Okay.
thing. So we're gonna start at 12. So 4 hours, it's gonna be 4 o'clock. Okay?
You're talking for the guy, for them to come? I'd say like 5:30.
Okay, yeah.
And then,
Yeah, so 5:30.
yeah. Get some foam rollers.
Yeah, okay. Foam,
Like
yeah,
the
foam one.
little
Easier one.
4-inch ones. Because this whole thing is easier.
No, but he doesn't have, he just have paint. This is a Benjamin Moore.
Yeah, they should have.
No?
You
Oh,
sure?
well, maybe.
They should have.
It's cheaper? No.
Oh, I can get it.
Yeah.
I get what you're
so
saying.
put the foam roller.
Yeah, okay.
And put the green tape.
Got it.
Because all I want to do, I will get is the thing. Okay.
I'm down these days, down to do whatever, because I already had enough. ¿Cómo?
Everything's almost done, huh?
Almost done.
We installed these yesterday.
Okay.
Now we're just filling in.
If I didn't know, bro, I would have passed by yesterday.
Well, I didn't even know really, to be honest.
So good.
Just my dad just called me saying he needed help.
I said, son, can you help me, please?
The ceiling is the same color of this, okay?
Okay.
So go to the baseboard as close as you can, and to the frame and to the trims of the window as close as you can.
So I guess I should start not amazing.
Just wherever there's cloth. Yeah, but feel free to move that ladder.
Make sure you wipe it off.
Huh?
That's wiped? No.
Yeah.
No, with the sponge?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta wipe it like this. Cause this will dry
But
like a film on top of it, you know what I mean?
Okay. Oh,
Huh?
I see what you're saying.
You can use the scrubby side to,
huh? This one?
yeah, to scrub some of
This one?
yeah.
Oh. Oh, but it can be wet.
No, this is just to rub off some of the extra.
I did already.
Like this stuff. I think this is just the glue.
No, this is it.
The glue from the tile, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, look at it. When it gets dry, it will.
Yeah.
It's just. So there's no excess. I mean, here because I just put it.
Okay. People, I believe it. They don't even know your name now. Nothing was the same. I still been. They still be looking me away now.
Oh, that's pretty cool. A sliding door?
Yeah.
Because it looks so hard to take pictures. Oh, if only if that was like glass, that would be super cool.
Glass?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are 78 and a half. 78 and a half. 78 and a half. 78 and a half. So we cut them all up to 78. We good. All clusters are 78.
So all
That's
these
running.
doors is 78.
All the closet doors. And then we'll come back for the other ones. So we're gonna cut down these doors. They've installed hardwood flooring with a subfloor, so it raised the floor by about 1.25 inches. It's 3/4 inch hardwood and a 1/2 inch plywood. So in that case, the doors don't fit back on the hinges, right? The floor's raised, there's no way for the doors to fit. So right now what we're doing is we're gonna cut them down to size about 1/2 inch to get the clearance that we need for the door to get installed and swung. And we'll start putting them back. So this is the process here. There it is. La puerta número 1.
You're not gonna like measure the door frames or anything?
I did. The master bedroom ones are all the same.
Okay, great.
And then the closets, and then I'll go measure the other ones.
Okay. Número 2.
I still been plotting on the low. Where the did they mark this one? Oh, this is bedroom number 2 closet. I got you. I got you. So this is still 78. That's the way, I like it, That's 4 closet doors. Let's go try it. Nope. It's that one. It's not that one.
Maybe what that one is missing is probably dropping the bed underneath and under.
Could be.